Let me guess, you don't have a girlfriend, do you?
Are you talking to me?
Of course I'm talking to you.
Is it that obvious?
Well, I'm definitely not a mind reader, otherwise I'd be locked up in this place, so yeah, I'd say it's pretty damn obvious.
Well, how am I supposed to get a girlfriend anyway when I have this job? I mean, I can't tell her about it, so what am I supposed to do?